This broadcast will be only heard via sound. Please listen. Normal programming has been suspended. We have received a toxic person on our channel named Hunter Phillips. He looks like a Minecraft profile picture. If you spot him being toxic, report it immediately. V moderators are neutralizing the threat to stop him. So far, one attack has been announced, which is located on Birthday Island. That's all we have to say. Wish the best you could do. The heck is this? Get off me.
The VNP moderation team is committed to saving channels. For our plan, we will be using heavy weapons and dislocating body parts of the target. Tomorrow at 3 p.m., Friday the 5th, we'll strike. Please prepare for tomorrow. Thank you and good luck.
We are after Hunter Phillips. We're getting close. He'll regret it. We need to capture him. Almost there. And he'll get banned off our channel.
Shut up.